This is Richard Gomes. We're here in Murray, Utah. We're talking about basic car care. I'd like to show you or discuss the difference between synthetic oil and regular oil. Now, we have a bottle of regular oil here, and we have a bottle of synthetic oil. Internally, they look the same, but as far as how they work differently. Regular oil, under extreme conditions, extreme heat, it evaporates. Extreme cold, it becomes clumpy, syrupy, and would damage your engine. Synthetic oil is designed not to do that. It'll stay a regular consistency no matter what kind of climate or conditions you're in. It's not only good for high-performance cars, but it's also good for your own car. Synthetic oil may cost a little bit more, but you're going to change your oil less frequently. Now you can spend a little more for the synthetic oil and change it less frequently, or you can spend less on regular oil and change it more frequently. It works out to be about the same amount. You need to examine your driving habits. If you drive your car hard, if you drive it under extreme conditions, if you drive a high-performance car, you may want to consider getting a synthetic oil and keep the synthetic oil in it at all times.